And I want us to imagine that maybe these students are writing a paragraph on the lost generation, and they need to do some research on that. So one way they can do some research is by using the Explore tool, which is located right here in the bottom right-hand corner of your Google Docs. It's also located in Google Slides and can be very useful as you are putting in images, but also looking up information or research. So if I click on that button, I can type here, and I actually already knew that there was a Lost Generation article in Britannica. So I'm just going to type in Lost Generation Britannica, simply because I knew that that already existed. And I see that this article here is actually one of the ones I had already looked up, but there's plenty of others as well. Notice there's a lot of articles here to choose from. Also could click images. I could search within my own personal drive and find anything that I needed there as well. So if I want to take a look at this article, I could actually just click the link and the article would pop up over here and I could do some research. Notice that I still have my document here. It's saved, it's good to go, but I'm able to do a little bit of research in this tab on this side while I still have my document. Now, let's imagine that we want to take a quote from this particular article. And we're just going to take a section here. We'll put it in quotes. Let's imagine this student does this. And they have put in a quote from whatever they were looking up, or they just simply needed to cite the article, whatever it might be. If they need to do a citation, Google has updated a lot of their citation tools, and this is a very useful thing for students as they want to avoid, of course, plagiarism or taking words that are not their own, but also giving credit where credit is due. So if we used words from Britannica, you could actually, and it's this website here, you can press this button right here and say cite as a footnote. So when you click that, the paper is immediately going to be cited, or the article, and the footnote is going to be located down here. And it is a correct citation. And those of you keeping track at home know that it is a correct MLA format citation. But if you don't want to use MLA, you also have the option of APA and Chicago if you'd like to change those citations. So that is how you do a citation in Google Docs.